Hello and welcome back again to another AI story. So today's AI story, we're going to look at 4 great places that you can generate text to image using AI. So let's get started. So the first one is Lexica. You might have already heard about Lexica. Lexica is a great place that you can generate stunning images, high quality images coming out from Lexica. As you can see here in the website, you can see the images that are being generated here, right here. So you can simply click on it and you can see the prompt that is being used here. If you want to, you can copy the prompt. If you want to use another person's prompt, these are all here, so you can use them. You can see the dimensions and the upscale, and then you can also see the different images generated from the seed. If you want to generate using Lexica, make sure to create an account, and once you are in, now you can be able to generate that. So in this for example, we're going to use the same prompt to generate the images, to compare the images out of these 4 places that you can generate text to image using AI. So that's our prompt there, a stunning photo of milk and chocolate with bright splashes of milk and bubbles against a starkly contrasting background, studio lighting and food photography. And if you want to type in a negative prompt, you can do that. Now you have the option of generating 512 by 778, or on the other side 768, or in the middle is 640 by 640. So let's go to 768 by 512, and you have the guidance scale here. From here, less contrast, more contrast, but best to be in between. And you can check this if you want to fix double heads or show globes and things like that. Okay, so there we go. And once you're happy, let's generate. Very simple and easy to use, and generating the image more faster than any other text to image generator that I know. So it gives you 4 options here. You can see the options that generate the high quality image coming out from Lexica. And from here you can outpaint this one. You can see the option here. You can see the generate variation of this. You upscale the image from here, and then generate a wider version of this image via outpainting. And you have some options, same here, load prompt into editor, load image into editor, and download your image. So if you want to download your image, you can download it from here. With Lexica, you're given pre-credits, and once your pre-credits are used up, you can be able to subscribe if you want to continue using their service. Now let's move on to the next one, and the next one is Dreamlike.art. So here you can see the Dreamlike.art. This is some images that I have generated from here. So you can see Dreamlike.art with all other image generator. You have to create an account so you can be able to generate the images. So it's more a little bit more things here to look at and setting up before you generate your image. So here in the create, you have the models here to choose from, different models that you can select from here. And the good thing is the models are given with images that you can see the quality of image, and whichever images model you want to choose to generate your image with, you can select that. So let's just leave it this one here, Neurogen 0.1.0 here. And then in our prompt, let's just copy the same prompt that we use in Lexica. And then in the negative prompt, if you want to type in some negative prompt, you can do that. You have the option of generate, just generate anything to put a negative prompt here. And then you have the image given you the 5 images. You just want to generate 4 images. And if you want to upload an image here, and then you have the aspect ratio, you have the portrait, landscape, square. All these ones are here, so let's just leave it as let's go to landscape. I think it's much better because the same as we generate the image in Lexica. And then that's all we need to do, and giving you the credits here, so you can see 8.8 credits. So let's generate that. Okay, so here are our images that generated. Here you can see the high quality images coming out from this also. So here you can use this again, similar to Lexica. You're given pre-planned credits, and once your credits is used up, you have to upgrade so that you can be able to continue generating images using their service. And you can see use as image, reuse parameters here, the variation, enhance, and edit. So you can try it out here. You can download your from here if you want to make this one public or private if you're a subscriber. Now let's move on to our next example. Is called Stablecog.com. So here in Stablecog.com, very simple UI, just like Lexica, but it's generating high quality stunning images. Without waiting, let's as usual, you have to create, and you're given 100 credits. Let's type in our copy our same prompt into the text or the prompt editor here, and you have the option of choosing from here the let's go to 3x2, and then choose the model from here: Lunar diffusion, stable diffusion 1.5, waifu diffusion, 22H diffusion, open journey, a crane diffusion, and Gilbly diffusion. So you can try this out, which one best for you. You can generate using that. So for now, let's use Lunar diffusion. Okay, so Lunar diffusion gives some nice stunning images that comes out from here. So you can see this is where you upscale your image from here, download, you copy the prompt, and other things. You can see the information given here. You can see in the gallery here you have different images that being generated using this great text to image generator. And now let's go to the last one, and that is Wepik by Freepik. So let's type in our image. So here you need to create an account as usual so that you can be able to generate. And here it's a free text to image, so it's totally free. There is no credit, but with the editor, photo editor, you have some options to pay. Okay, so let's try our prompt from here. So let's copy paste our prompt in here again, and here you can choose the type of style, no style, photo, digital, painting, and 3D. So let's just put as photo, and let's generate. And it takes less than a minute to generate, not faster like Lexica and also like Stablecog. Okay, so here are the images that comes out from this. We just generate these images here. So that's the first one there, this is the second one, and here's the third one, and the final one. So you can see you can download from here right away if you want to. But with this Wepik here, they also have the editor, the image editor. So once you click on the image editor here, it brings you to where you can edit your image. So make sure to select the image that you want to edit, and right in here you can see the different presets that you can apply to your image. So you can edit your image from here, you can add the text from here, different text templates are here, so you can try them out. Okay, so there you go, 4 great places that you can use text to image generator using AI: Lexica, Dreamlike.art, Stablecog, and Wepik by Freepik. That's all for this AI story, and thank you again for watching.